Hello everyone. So this is third video of percentage, right? In those two videos, we have learned how to find the percentage, how to find the whole part, how to find the percentage part of whole. Okay. So in that same, we'll continue and we'll solve some more questions, right? Are you all ready? Okay. So here we go. Yes. So now till F bit we are done. Now we'll start with G bit. Now G bit says 65% of 644 equals to, you have to find 65 percentage of 644. It means the whole is 644. That 10 parts is 644. And from that you have to find its 65 percentage. Okay. So how to calculate? First step. Remember? Yeah, recall. What is first step? Draw fraction bars. Yes, absolutely correct. So first we'll draw the fraction bar. Oh wow, very quickly I have drawn. Chalo. Now 65 percentage. Okay. So first, what is 644? 644 is whole. Okay, fine. So this is whole. So let's shade 65 percentage here. 65 will come where it will come. Yeah, it will come between 60 and 70. This will be 65%. This value you have to find. So as we are dividing 60 to 71, one part into 2. So let's divide all the parts into 2 to 2. So that will be easy. So what it will be? 5%. Absolutely correct. Wow, very nice. So it is 0. It's 5%, 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100. Okay. So now how many parts are these total? 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what we got? We got 20 parts. 20 parts is a whole. And what is whole? 644. So 20 parts is 644. Okay. So what will be the value of one part? 644 divided by 20. Okay, let's divide. 23 is a 60. Now 4. This 4 will come down. 22 is a 40. Now 4 will come down. Decimal, it will be 0. And 22 is a 40. Yes, absolutely correct. So 32.2. So one part is 32.2. Now we have to find 65 percentage. So how many parts are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many parts? 13 parts. So 65 percentage means 13 parts. So from 1 to many, multiply. So 32.2 times 13. Right? So let's solve. Okay. So it's 32.2 into 13. So just forget the decimal. Simply multiply. 13 to the 26. 6 to carry. 13 to the 26 to 28 to carry. 13 3 is a 39 plus 2, 41. Now, here you have one decimal place. So here we'll keep one decimal place, right? And decimal will come here, right? Okay. So what we got? 418.6. So 418.6. So what is the 65% of 644? 418.6. So let's write it. So 65 percentage of 644 equals to 418.6. So here answer is 418.6. Clear? Yes. Now what we will do? We will solve the next question. Okay. Next question, H bit. H bit says 45% of something. It means whole. 45% of whole is 882. Okay. So that is H bit. 45% of something or whole is equals to 882. Okay. So now we have to find whole, right? What is missing here? Whole. Whole is missing, so we will find. How we will find? Okay. So now, what's the first step? First step is to draw the fraction bar. Yes, we have drawn. Now mark 45%. Where 45% will come? Between 40 and 50. This is 45%. So to find 45%, what we have to do? We have to divide 1 into 2 parts. So let's divide whole into 2 parts. This will be 5%. Okay. So 0, 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So whole means what? Whole means 20 parts. Okay? Yes. Now 45% of something is 882. So let's see, 45% means how many parts? Let's shade it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have shaded 9 parts and we got 45%. Basically, what we will write? 9 parts equals to what it is given? 882. So now we'll find for 1 part. Many to 1? Divide. 882 divided by 9. Okay. So 882 divided by 9. 9 nines are 81. 8 minus 1, 7. And 2 will come down. 2. 9 8s are 72. So 98. We got 1 part as 98. Now we have to find what? Whole. Whole means how many parts? 20 parts. Let's calculate 20 parts. 98 times 20. 1 too many, multiply. So 98 times 20. Okay, so when we'll calculate 98 times 20, it will be 8 to the 16, 1 carry, 9 to the 18, 19, 1960, 1960. So whole is what? 1960. Okay, so answer will be 1960. Let's write here. Okay. So here 1960. Now let's take next question. Next question says dash of 800 equals to 600. Okay, dash of 800 equals to 600. It means percentage you have to find. Okay, so question will write. Question says dash of 800. It is equals to 600. It means some percentages of 800 is equal to 600. Right? So what you have to calculate? You have to calculate percentage. How you will calculate? First step, draw fraction bar. Okay? We have drawn fraction bar. Now, here, whole is what? 800. Whole is what? 800. Whole means how many parts? Total 10 parts. So 10 parts equals to 800. So 1 part equals to 800 divided by 10. So 800 divided by 10 will be 80. So 1 part equals to 80. And you have to shade 600. Okay. So 80. Then 80. 80 plus 80, 160. Then 80. How much it is? 240. then 80, 240 plus 80. What you will get? 320 plus 80, 400 plus 80, 480 plus 80, 560 plus 80, 640. Oh my God, here you are getting 640. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line here. You have to divide that into two parts. Why? So that you can take 40 here and 40 here. Okay, so 560 plus 40 will be 600. Understood? So what you have to do basically, you have to divide 70 and 80 into two parts. Here we'll take 40 and we'll divide into two parts. So as we are dividing this into two parts, okay. So what percentage we got here? Between 70 and 80, 75 percentage. Okay, so 75 percentage. So 75 percentage of 800 is equals to 600. So your answer is 75 percentage. Okay, clear? Chalo, very nice. So now it is 75 percentage. Now last question. 5% of 175. 5% of 175 you have to calculate. What is the first step? First step is to draw bar model. Okay, we have drawn bar model, but here we have this one box as 10%. We need 5%. It means we'll divide this into two parts. 5%. Okay. So let's divide whole into two parts. Here, two parts. So total how many parts are there? You have seen if we are dividing into two parts, total 20 parts we are getting. And this is what? Whole. So 20 parts equals to 175. 20 parts equals to 175. So what will be the value of one part? Because see, first of all, we normally calculate one part. And here we have to calculate 5%, which is one part only. So that only we have to calculate. So 175 divided by 20. Let's divide 175 by 20. Okay. So if you are taking 1 lesser, 17 lesser, 775. Okay. So 28 is 160. Let's subtract 15. Put decimal here, 0. 27 is 140. Then 10, one more 0, 25 is 100. Right? So 8.75. 8.75. So 5% of 175 will be what? 8.75. Okay, because 5% means one part. Okay, is it clear? So it is 8.75. So yes, we have done total 10 questions of percentage of a whole, where at some place whole was missing, some place part was missing, some place percentage was missing. Right? Okay. So once again, revise this, go through it properly. If any doubt, please write your doubt. Okay. And you can go through this video once again to clarify your doubts. Right? So in percentage, that's all. Okay. So now do revise and take care. Bye-bye.